Hi, Martin here with another video, and today I'm going to show you how you can add a ranking question to your Microsoft form. So by the end of the video, you're going to be able to utilize these questions in your own questionnaires and surveys. So let's get started. So obviously the first thing you're going to want to do is create a new form or open up the form that you want to add the ranking question to. I've got a sample quiz here and I'm going to go ahead and show you how to add a ranking type question. So obviously the way that we add questions in Microsoft Forms, you'll see that we have this add new question button here. So let's go ahead and click on that. So from here we then have a number of options. We've got choice, text, rating, date, ranking, Likert, upload file, net promoter score, and section. So obviously what we're going to be looking for is ranking. So let's go ahead and click on the ranking option. So from here we can type in the question that we want. So we can say rank these options. And from here we can then add up to 10 different options within a ranking question. So if you need more than 10, you'd have to unfortunately split that into separate questions. Okay. So essentially that's all we need to do is click add new question, select ranking question, obviously type it in, and then add our options from there. So if we go ahead and preview and then scroll down, what you'll see here is that we now have our rank these options. They have been randomized, so whoever's using your form, they'll be in a different order, and then from there they can go ahead and click and drag these options into whichever order they would like. So essentially the only other thing to probably point out is when someone submits, what Microsoft Forms does is calculates an average ranking for each answer choice based on their position. So essentially if they're higher up, they'll get more points. If they're lower down, they'll get less points. So you're going to get an overall of who was first and then who was 10th, or however many options that you have. Okay, so there you have it. Nice and simple, but a very useful little tip to know to be able to add these types of questions to Microsoft Forms. So if it's been useful, please give this video a like, comment below, and then subscribe to the channel for more tips. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.